What's going on, guys? BrynWelds here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to weld some uphill open corner joints with some 1/4 inch material with the Everlast MTS 225. Thank you guys for 200 subscribers, and I'm going to be showing you the most common mistakes I see and what I do. You don't have to follow exactly what I do, but maybe compare it to yours and adjust from there. Here's my settings. I'm using 190 wire feed speed, 18 volts, inductance at 70%, burn back at 0.8 seconds, wire feed speed at the end is 201, 0 post flow. You don't really need that with MIG. 0.2 seconds with pre-flow. You also don't really need that, but I just run it a little bit. Starting out, we'll be at 200 wire feed speed, and yeah, there you go. Everlast MTS 225. Let's get into it. So I'm going to throw one piece in the vise and then hold the other one and tack it from there. There's one tacked up. So now I got them both tacked up. I'm going to show you a flat piece and a vertical piece. So one of the most common mistakes I see when welding an uphill open corner, so this, is people tend to let their stick out get too far because as they go, they don't bring their gun angle up with them. I keep mine pretty much dead in there, so about right here, 1/4 inch to 5/8 stick out, instead of having it at such an angle, causing a longer stick out and an erratic arc. Another common problem but with flat or horizontal is your gun angle as well, but your work angle. A lot of people like to keep it flat, and you're not going to hit the top part of your joint as much as you should be. So you want to come in there about like so, and I'm doing cursive E's, so I'm running like this, making sure I'm fusing this toe and this toe good without undercut. You really want to watch your puddle and the toes of your puddle fuse in to the top plate and the bottom plate, or however you have your joint set up. Regardless, both plates or both sides of the joint of the parent metal, you want to watch your toes fuse in there. Kind of pause on the top of it and on the bottom edge of it. Watch it fuse in there nice. This one came out real good. Now we're going to be doing kind of zigzag our way up, side to side. Pause on the toes and move across fast so you don't have too round of a bead on the face. Shout out to Marco for always getting me right. Marco paint markers, check him out. Drop the soapstone, the marker word, Marco. Now that we know the weave pattern and we got our joints stacked up, let's get into the welding. This is the uphill open corner joint. You'll see me pause on the toes and move forward, or move up, move across every single time pretty quick if you don't want too convex of a bead face. And I pause on the toe, move across, pause, move up and across actually. So it's kind of just a zigzag with a little bit of a slope downhill, but the bead is uphill, of course. I know this isn't the best arc shot, but I'm working on it. This is a new camera. We're working, testing out things. But as you go, you want to watch the toes of your puddle. Really watch your puddle close, but watch the toes of your puddle fill into each side. Make sure you hold it so you don't undercut it and you fuse well into the sides of your joint. And here's the flat or horizontal bead. Pretty much just watch your work gun angle. Make sure you're not favoring one side of the metal or one side of the joint. I'm using a cursive E motion, watching my toes of the puddle of the weld fill in, and should fuse nice. On the left is the flat piece and the right is the vertical. Comment below what you want to see next, and let's get into this outro and a little bit more info. And that's how I do an open corner, uphill and flat horizontal joint. They came out pretty nice. Check out my merch, link in the description. Shout out to Everlast. If you want to buy an Everlast machine, use my link in the description and you'll get an upgraded Nova torch and foot pedal, the one that I use. Videos coming soon. I have the Lightning MTS 225. It's MIG stick, AC/DC pulse. It's great. And check out the merch, BrynWelds, BrynWelds.com. And also, don't forget to check out my other social medias, all at BrynWelds: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. I'll see y'all later. Appreciate you for 200 subscribers.